Sometimes you feel like you've stumbled upon Narnia. Switch that, because all of a sudden it's doing something crazy, but this is where I'm at. This is where I'm headed. It's just awesome. So, it's one of the coolest places so far. Skagway Reservoir, on the way to Skagway Power Plant. Amazing right now this time of year. Everything is blooming. Birds are everywhere, just going to town. Water's just flowing nice and smooth. So I think there's a couple crosses that I have to make, and this is a perfect time because it's low enough to do it. But amazing. And then there's the little house up there, man. Up there on the little hill. It's an abandoned house. It might be a cool camping spot, so it might be another trip. All right, back on the trail.